In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use the virtual background feature in Zoom, a quick and easy way to add a little flair or professionalism to your video calls. Whether you're hosting a business meeting from the comfort of your home or just want to have some fun during a virtual hangout, the virtual background feature can create a more immersive and engaging experience. So, let's dive in and explore how to get this set up. First, you'll need to ensure that the virtual background feature is enabled in your Zoom account. If you're an admin or a user, you'll need to do this through the Zoom web portal. Head over to zoom.us in your web browser and sign in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings page and click on the Meeting tab. Now, scroll down to the In Meeting, Advanced section and look for the virtual background toggle. Simply switch it on. For those who have admin privileges, there's an added bonus. You can customize the settings to allow video backgrounds, let users upload custom backgrounds, or even require that users always use a background. You can also set things up to reset backgrounds after each meeting, adding another layer of convenience and control. Next, you'll want to confirm that your system or device meets the necessary requirements for using virtual backgrounds. Not all devices support this feature, and using it without a green screen can be a bit demanding on your CPU or GPU. It's crucial to check that your device is compatible, as this will ensure smooth and uninterrupted Zoom meetings. Once your settings are in order and your device is confirmed compatible, you're all set to apply a virtual background from your device. If you're using a desktop computer, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, you'll start by opening the Zoom app. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, navigate to the Video and Effects or Background and Effects tab. Here, you'll see various default background options, or you can click the plus icon to upload your own image or video. If you happen to have a green screen, make sure to check the I have a green screen box for enhanced background quality, ensuring a cleaner and sharper separation between you and your chosen backdrop. Finally, let's cover how you can choose a virtual background during a meeting. While you're in a Zoom meeting, look at the meeting toolbar at the bottom of your screen and click on the arrow next to the video or camera icon. This will reveal the Choose Virtual Background option. Click on that, and you'll be able to select from the existing backgrounds or upload a new one directly from this menu. And there you have it. With these steps, you're ready to start using Zoom's virtual background feature. Whether it's a simple, serene nature scene or a customized backdrop with your company's logo, virtual backgrounds can significantly enhance your video call experience. Enjoy experimenting with different backgrounds and make your next meeting or call more engaging and fun.